Siwmai, yn 2016 fe gyflwyno ni'r her genhadaeth ddinesig i'n prifysgolion am y tro cyntaf, a mae wedi parhau i fod wrth galon ein diwygiadau addysg. Fe wnaethon ni herio prifysgolion i ailgreu ymdeimlad o genhadaeth ddinesig. Mae'r amrywiol weithgareddau sydd wedi cael eu cynnal ar draws y sector addysg uwch a thu hwnt ers hynny wedi creu argraff fawr arnau. Rydyn ni wedi gweld llawer o gynnydd a mae nifer o enghreifftiau ardderchog o sefydliadau yn datblygu hunain fel prifysgolion dinesig. Mae cenhadaeth dinesig bellach yn rhan anatod o'n sector addysg uwch. Ac rwy mor falch fy mod i wedi gallu cefnogi Cyngor Cyllido Addysg Uwch Cymru i ailgyflwyno cronfa arloesi ymchwil Cymru. Drwy'r gronfa hon, fe hoffwn ni weld y cyngor yn sicrhau bod sefydliadau yn cynnal i synwyr o gyfrifoldeb dinesig ac yn parhau gyda'i gwaith hanfodol o gefnogi i cymunedau lleol, yn arbennig wrth i ni ddod allan o'r pandemig. We've already seen the positive impact that institutions' growing civic engagement can achieve. The response of the HE sector to the pandemic, using their resources, expertise and facilities to support the local and national response, is but one example. In North Wales, examples have included the development of online resources, outreach activities and support for mental health and well-being. This has highlighted the important role that HE institutions play in developing and sustaining thriving, informed and resilient communities, as well as supporting their students during a very challenging period. Building a sector that has civic responsibility at its heart continues to be crucial in supporting the national effort to deal with the outbreak. We'll continue to support HEFCU to support universities in developing their civic mission and community engagement. We'll incentivise institutions to mainstream their civic engagement into their core activity and to collaborate with partner organisations, including FE institutions and schools. This includes developing open and free resources, both online and in communities, as well as work which supports the new school curriculum. HEFCU have funded a civic mission officer within Universities Wales, which has enabled a Welsh civic mission network to be established. This network offers a space for universities in Wales to collaborate and share best practice and to discuss issues and approaches to civic mission in Wales. The network was also instrumental in developing and launching the Civic Mission Framework, a set of guiding principles to support and guide institutions in this important work, and has the well-being of future generations at its heart. Mae digwyddiad heddi dan nawdd Lab Gwasanaethau Cyhoeddus y Gogledd yn enghraifft wych o'r ffordd y gall sefydliadau addysg uwch weithio gyda phartneriaid i ddatblygu gweithgarwch cenhadaeth dinesig i hunain, a dod o hyd hefyd i atebion ar y cyd ar gyfer i cymunedau. Gobeithio y byddwch chi'n gweld eich trafodaethau yn ddiddorol ac yn ddefnyddiol. Diolch yn fawr i chi gyd.